What if an unfinished concrete space could become a warm, modern Japandi home with natural materials, soft colors, layered lighting, and smart furniture choices? This home becomes bright, functional, and inviting. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The layout creates a cozy place to relax and gather. Next, the dining area. The dining space connects naturally with the living room. Finally, the kitchen. The kitchen stays clean, functional, and easy to use. That's the complete transformation. From unfinished concrete to a warm, modern Japandi home, every detail was planned for comfort and function. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.